Hi everyone, this is Setos. I'm back with another video. Today I'm sharing with you an easy DIY hair mask that I make when my hair is feeling dry and frizzy. This is very effective mask to nourish your dry hair and make it soft and shiny. All you need to make this hair mask is full cream yogurt, 1 egg yolk, olive oil and honey. Keep watching until the end to know how to make this, and I'll share my tips and tricks as well. Also, the measurement does not have to be exact. You can adjust the quantity of ingredient as per your hair length and preference. Here I took about 1 cup of yogurt, 1 egg yolk, 4 tablespoons of olive oil and about 1 tablespoon of honey. Now I'm mixing the ingredient thoroughly. So this is what it looks like once it's ready. Now I like to begin by detangling my hair before applying the mask. I always do this step so that it's easier to detangle after my hair has been washed. This hair mask is an intensive protein hair treatment. Egg is rich in protein, biotin, fatty acids and vitamin like A, D and E, which promotes hair growth and prevent hair fall and breakage and repairs damaged hair. Olive oil makes your hair softer and stronger. Yogurt is loaded with antioxidants, vitamins, calcium and protein. It also helps to detox your scalp. Honey helps your hair to absorb and restore moisture. Honey is also pH balancing and antiseptic. The presence of vitamin-rich egg yolk, olive oil, yogurt and honey make this hair mask ideal for curbing hair loss, especially for dry and rough hair. Once my hair is completely coated, I massage the scalp to let the blood flow and I made a hair bun. I let it sit for an hour. I washed my hair with lukewarm water. I used this Glow Lab shampoo and conditioner. Here is the important tip. Never use hot water to rinse off any egg-based mask, as this will cook the eggs contained in the mask and you will smell like scrambled eggs. So here is the result in before and after video. As you can see, my hair feels soft and glossy. There is no doubt that this mask adds shine to your hair. My hair felt super healthy using this mask. This is the reason I love this mask. I recommend using this mask every week or so to help with dry and frizzy hair. I haven't applied any serum or products so that I can show you guys the result. I braided my hair last night to get the speech waves on my hair. I don't like using heat. I usually prefer heatless curls method. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please let me know if you have tried this hair mask and please comment your results in the comment section below. Feel free to ask if you have any questions or video suggestions, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to support your girl, and I will see you guys in the next video.